Bring WeatherTech Defense into the kitchen with FaucetMat. This premium, American-made splash guard wraps neatly around the faucet to protect countertops from unsightly watermarks and damage. Let's take a closer look. WeatherTech is offering two styles of faucet mat to suit your sink configuration. The standard faucet mat is ideal if, for instance, you have a centrally located faucet with 7 inches of clearance on each side. Choose FaucetMat Duo if your sink is offset or if there is a built-in soap dispenser, side sprayer, or garbage disposal button close by. If it's to the right, place like so. If it's to the left, simply flip it over and put it in position. Both styles of faucet mat are created with a subtly designed angle, allowing excess water to drain directly into the sink basin instead of pooling where it could damage caulking or discolor countertops. The wrap design of both styles fits neatly around the faucet. The mat features raised ridges that elevate scrubbers and sponges, allowing air to circulate so they can fully dry. Both styles of faucet mat are available in 3 colors: pebble, slate, and sand. You can count on the quality and durability you'll be receiving. This product is 100% made in America, out of American raw materials, and is 100% recyclable. If you're on dish duty tonight, don't start until you have the protection of FaucetMat in your kitchen.